Hello students and welcome to a new video. In this video we'll work on Unit 1, Lesson 1, Matter and its characteristics. Generally we will start with the definition of the matter. The matter is anything that has mass and volume. So everything around us is a matter that has both mass and volume together. And all matter is made from small particles called atoms and molecules. So simply, we have all the matters around us as we have three states of matter. So we have three states of matter around us, like the solid and liquid and gases. Matter can be classified into three states based on a certain properties and the molecular arrangement. When we talk about the solids, so the arrangement inside the solids matters differ from the arrangement of the molecules inside the liquid state and differ from the arrangement of the molecular arrangement or the molecule inside the gas state. So one more time, all matters is made from small particles called atoms and molecules. And the atoms and molecules we can see it by the naked eye. But we can differentiate between the three states of matter by the arrangement of the molecules inside each of them. Then we have the matter definition. The matter definition is everything that has mass and volume. And the mass definition is it's the amount of matter that the body contains. So everything around us has mass and volume, and the mass, it's the amount of matter in an object. What about the mass unit? The mass is measured by the unit like the gram and kilogram, and can be measured by a device like the center of balance or the common balance. What about the volume? The volume definition is the space that the substance or the matter or the object occupied. So when the object take up space, so we can find out its volume. And the volume unit is cubic centimeter or milliliter. Then we can differentiate between the substances or matters around us by the two kinds of properties. We have physical properties and chemical properties. What is the difference between physical and chemical properties? The physical properties, it's kind of properties that we can see or feel. And the chemical properties, when two objects can react with each other to produce a new substance. So, today we will learn about and talk about the physical properties, such as color and taste and smell. So we can use the color sense and taste sense and smell sense to differentiate between group of matters. We will start with two kinds. How we can differentiate and find the difference between the two kinds. For example, we can use the color property to differentiate between the gold and silver and the iron as well. If we have three matters, three substances like the salt and sugar and flour, we can differentiate between these group of matters with the taste property. So the taste property or the taste sense can differentiate between the three matters that similar in its color and different in its taste. Another one, if we have two matters with the same color, so we can't use the color property. So we can use the color property in the case of the gold and silver. We can use the smell property in the vinegar and the perfume. So we have the vinegar and perfume. So we can use the smell property to differentiate between them.